Here I have Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery info on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download the app Ampere from the Play Store, for example, and then just open it, and here you can see all the different informations about your battery, like status, plugged, health, technology, max capacity, and others from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.